I was sent this LED light for free for the purpose of this review. So let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box, check it out, get it installed. All right, so this is what's in the box. You get the light that you installed at the ceiling. You get the manual on how to do it and how to operate this. And it comes with a set of screws and anchors to get this thing mounted to your ceiling. Now, when you flip this over, you are going to find that this has a positive and a negative lead wire that goes in. It looks like neutral and live. And then this is the bracket that's actually going to get screwed in to the box or the sheetrock, whatever it is that you have on your ceiling to hold this light up. And then on the side of this, you're going to have these little screws that once you have the bracket mounted to the ceiling, of course the wiring hooked up, then you push the light onto the bracket, you put in these two little screws right here, and you're good to go. Now your area is lit by this light. So we have a closet that we always struggle with getting good, even light in that room. And I think this is going to solve that problem. So let's go get this installed in the closet and see how it did. So this is the bulb that we have in the ceiling. One, it doesn't look that good. We had to actually take the glass of this off just so we could put a bigger bulb in there so we could actually get enough light in this room to light up the closet. And this does okay. You know, it doesn't light up everything great toward the bottom, but it does okay. It's not pretty, doesn't look good, and I want something better. All right, so in our case, this light fixture right here, which I have turned off the electricity to, was wired into a box. If you do not have a box in your ceiling already, then you probably just have a wire sticking through the sheetrock, and that is where you'll probably either already have some anchors in the ceiling you can attach to, or you'll have to use the sheetrock anchors that it provided for you in the package. But I'm going to get this unhooked and the new light hooked up. And now we have a super bright light in here. This is the brightest this closet has ever been. And the light fixture itself looks really nice. It just blends in with the ceiling, just looks nice and friendly. It doesn't look like something that's just sticking out and you're like, oh my goodness, what is that up there? You really don't even have to notice it. It just blends in with the closet. The other thing is, you know, we went from a 60-watt bulb, I think, that was incandescent when we built this place. Then that was nowhere near enough light, so we pulled that out and put in compact fluorescence, which then I think it went to 40 watts, which was like 150-watt equivalent. Still really wasn't that bright in here, but it was good enough. And now we have this, which is even less electricity, and we've got way more light than we've ever had before. And it's instant light. You hit the light switch and it's just on. And I don't plan on ever switching this out ever again. It's another beauty of these type of LED lights. You install it and you hope you never have to touch it again. I think that's what's going to happen here. All right, so I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this and you have not subscribed to our channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out and it's absolutely free. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.